Well, you're not going to believe this. This is the world's shortest speaker review. I just finished now this video, the unboxing of the Mackie CR4 speakers. Just about to upload it, and I thought I'd turn the volume up a bit, and they went dead. And I've tested everything, and am now using my old speakers. The new ones are stuffed. So, well, here's the unboxing video I did anyway, in case you get a good pair, but they'll be going back tomorrow, and I don't think I want a replacement. I'll just get the cash back. Absolute junk. Oh, g'day. It's a nice, rainy, wet day today. Hence why I'm rugged up and in total scruff mode, but I finally bit the bullet and I've just had a delivery arrive. For years now I've put up with very noisy speakers with a loud buzz on my computer. So I bit the bullet and bought these Mackie CR4s. Now they cost me about 350 Australian dollars, so just under with delivery. So I thought, well, you may as well see it when I do. So let's unbox them. Okay, well, the moment of truth. It's been a long time coming, this. Once in a while you have to bite the bullet, I think. I admit I haven't taken the other speakers apart to see what was what there, but I did try them in every other power point in the house, so didn't get rid of the buzz. So what do we got here? Oh, back end on them. They're quite nice. They're 4-inch speakers. They were about probably $40 cheaper than the BT version, which is Bluetooth, which I never use. Let's get that in camera shot of me. So yeah, a little bit harder to find. They're not the latest model, but they should do. It's quite pretty. Okay, that's the other speaker. Some acoustic mat there that they sit on. There for now. And here's the driven one. They should do nicely. They're quite weighty. Very pretty. And that's all the connections there. Power cord. I'll just tilt the camera down a bit, I think. Okay, continuing. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit here, so put that in its mating box. And we also have a packet of connectors and everything here too for the speakers. Should be 3 types, I believe. Yeah. Good. That'll go straight into the computer and to the back of the speakers. In the RCA connectors there, sockets. Over some bare wire and the connector from that speaker to the other one. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah, that should do nicely. And it really is by sheer coincidence that my surname happens to be M-A-C-K, Mac. And these are M-A-C-K-I-E, Mackie. I didn't buy them for that reason. I'd say these will do quite nicely. And I'm hoping to have many more hours of editing videos for you with some speakers that don't annoy me, just to have them sitting quietly. Alright, see ya.
A few moments later.
Lovely. No more buzz, just the sound of rain at the moment. And Bobo. I just finished now this video, the unboxing of the Mackie CR4 speakers. Just about to upload it, and I thought I'd turn the volume up a bit, and they went dead. And I've tested everything, and am now using my old speakers. The new ones are stuffed. They'll be going back tomorrow, and I don't think I'll want a replacement. I'll just get the cash back. Absolute junk.